YouTube, I'm Jen, and today is SketchBox Day. SketchBox is a monthly art subscription box that sends premium art supplies, and let's see what's inside. As always, the beautiful SketchBox tissue paper. This box is so full. How funny. First up is, let's get this. Oh, so first we have the SketchBox School. So there are tutorials, a little intro to what's in your box that you can check out every month. There's also a list of what's included, which I will try to remember to go over after, as well as inspirational art, and that is really neat. And an information about the artist. We've been using this artist for a little while now. They are doing tutorials, videos in the SketchBox School, so definitely check them out if you haven't already. Super cool. Lots of different tutorials on there with them. First up is Fluid 100 cold pressed 4x6 watercolor papers. So this is a block. So with watercolor blocks, you paint right here on the paper, and then you don't take it off until you are complete. And you can just use an X-Acto knife or a palette knife, stick it in here, and then just pull all the way to the sides to open it. And of course my palette knife is pretty dirty. Just ignore that. So that is pretty cool. Super excited to try that. Next in the box, I see walnut drawing ink. Very nice. I've used walnut ink in the past, but I've never been able to, or I've never had it out of a bottle. So that'll be cool. You can tell he definitely used walnut ink on that picture. Next up is a set of Faber-Castell Pit Artist pins in sepia. Very nice. Let's see, you've got S. There we go. S is 0.3, F is 0.5, M is 0.7, and B is 1. Oh, B is a brush. So let's take a look at those tips real quick for you. I have a black set of these, so it's very nice to have a sepia set as well. So there's the brush pen, brush tip. And here is the M.7. It's pretty big. The 0.5, which is an F. So these will make a really cool piece. And the S, which is 0.3. We also have a Copic Chow in E25, which looks like more brown. We will swatch all of these in a moment. We have a mono drawing pin by Tombow in 0.5. A paintbrush. Oops. It is a silver white round number 4. And a set of pencils. These are Cretacolor. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It looks like the sticker is inside as well. This sticker with a little doggy face from the dog box. This is Cretacolor white chalk, sepia light, and black chalk. So let's swatch real quick for you. So while I'm swatching, I wanted to let you know that I will be doing a giveaway once I get closer to 1,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at about 750. The giveaway will be supplies that you've seen in some of these unboxings, as well as some other things. I may get some items from my store or make something specially for you. but make sure you are a subscriber, because I will require that you be a subscriber and be able to confirm that in order to do the winning. And to confirm it, you just have to have your subscriptions be public. I will explain all of that piece when I do the unboxing of the item that I will be giving away. So definitely be a subscriber if you're interested in that, as well as just getting notifications of when my videos are released. And hopefully you won't be disappointed. I'm super excited for this one. I love Faber-Castell. And I haven't used their sepia line before. So there's that. I'm not sure what I should draw, but I will definitely do a drawing for you. As you probably know by now, since you're here, I'm more of a mixed media artist than drawing, painting. Although I enjoy it, I just tend to lean more towards the mixed media type things. So I love these boxes. I may not have at the beginning just because I was out of my comfort zone, but getting out of your comfort zone is actually a really good thing. So at least for me it has been. So it's helped me grow as an artist, and I'm a lot more confident in sharing my creations now than I ever was before. So there you have it. That is the swatch of all of the supplies. I think that will look awesome together. Obviously, this drawing is perfect. Not that confident in faces right now, so I probably won't do this, but I will figure out something to draw. Before I do that, I remembered this time to go over what they say about the items and also the prices. So this is the July premium box. So the walnut drawing ink retails for $10.49. It says the staff favorite. It says this month is all about walnut ink. But I don't think, I have to read. Maybe there's more than just this as walnut ink. I believe Faber-Castell is India ink, but maybe that's, I don't know enough about it. It says this month is all about walnut ink. This is our first time shipping walnut ink, and we couldn't be more excited about it. While the word walnut might imply that it contains actual walnuts, due to their acidity, that it has a negative effect to its ability to not fade over time. Tim Norton walnut ink is made with artist-grade pigments, not walnuts. And it is both light fast and acid-free. Due to some COVID-19 related supply issues, you may have noticed a different shaped bottle than the one pictured. So yeah, this one is the plastic, and I think that one was like the glass. But I mean, doesn't bother me. The Faber-Castell Pit Pins in sepia retail for $13.25. Superfine medium and brush. Pigment India ink pairs really well with walnut inks. So there you have that. The Copic Chow, as we know, Copics are alcohol inks. This is Caribe Cocoa. Retails for $5.49. Simply put, one of the best brush nibs ever to be featured in an illustration marker. We chose this color to complement the walnut ink. Okay, so everything was built around the walnut ink this month, so that's very nice. The Create a Color Artist Pencil Set retails for $7.75. Highly pigmented pencils for increasing light fastness. They are perfect for traditional sketching, drawing, smudging, or mixing. Put that right back. The Tombow Mono Drawing Pin retails for $2.89. Dependable fine liner from one of our favorite brands for outlining your walnut ink illustrations this month. And then The silver white round 4, silver brush, silver white round 4 retails for $6.40. I actually love these brushes. The fluid 4x6 cold pressed watercolor paper retails for $7.61. This fluid is a heavyweight paper that can withstand heavy washes. Ink lifts more easily from the surface than when using tree-based paper, so you have more control. And then it also says, have fun and remember to tag your art with hashtag SketchBox July if you'd like to be included in our monthly contest. The winner gets their art printed on a future box lid. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that like button and also comment. Let me know what your favorite item in this box was. If you get this box, let me know also, and I can check out your videos as well. And time to create.